Are we live? I think we are. Let's see, boys. Am I here? No webcam. Oh, let's get that added. Hmm. You, where am I? Ah, there it is. All right. Tonight, doing something completely different. Going to be doing some modeling with Autodesk Fusion 360. I already kind of started. This layout is a little new to me because I'm used to using some different software. But so far this seems pretty nice. Let me just get some stuff set up here. Gotta figure out what music to listen to tonight. I've been kind of into this. I think I will listen to it again. Yeah. Where's the album? There's an album. There it is. Yeah. It's pretty rad. Oh, it says you can stream the track on streaming platforms. But I'm not going to do that. I will look at that some other time. Alright. And then, gonna do this. Ah, right. So you hit home. And I'm making a hat rack. And I have modeled a piece of wood, which I did by doing a sketch. So the piece of wood is 3/4 inches by 3.5 inches by, I don't know why you have to go up here and drag. Like, I'm used to being able to like, okay, so there's pan. Maybe I can set up one of my mouse buttons. I'm used to be able to do something like, you know, right click and rotate. But you can go up here and do that, so that's it's not too bad. All right. And then, so I did the sketch. Just check the stream, make sure it's working. All right. Yeah. We need humanity. It's one of the lines. All will be lost. All will be lost. All right. Yeah, so I did a sketch. Which, oh, okay, so you can toggle it on and off. And then I did an extrude, which is probably here under body. Or document settings. Oh, okay, so document settings you can switch between you can switch units, so that's pretty nice. That's body. I kind of expected. What I'm looking for here is like, how do you? Oh, this is pretty tight. So down here you got this, and this little bar here, and you can drag it back. Huh. That's pretty neat. Neat. Alright, so that is body one. Edit feature. Is there a way to do that here? I don't see it. Okay, so here you can do edit sketch, so that's cool. And you can do edit feature, which is also cool. So got my edit feature, which was an extrude, and I just did 12 inches. Distance, let's see what other, yeah, distance. And one side, an alternative, like two sides, or symmetric. Ah, okay. Which will, oh no, that's not what I want. No, that's not what I want. Okay, so all this is like, okay. One side. Okay. Cool. So the other thing I want to do this. Well, what I want to do also is I want to Google how to like rotate without having to go up here. I don't like that. I want to be able to just, maybe if I like, no. Maybe you do both? No. Is there something about, let's see. I gotta like this because it's so good. Nowadays records. Alright, I got a cough. Ah. Fusion, how do I, alright, roll the roller to zoom in and out, left click to select. To rotate the here to hold down the shift key. Oh, okay. So looks like shift and roller. Ah, okay. I could pro. I wonder if there's a way to bind that to a mouse button press. Let's see about that. Simply head over to your name and hit preferences. Preferences. Ah, alright. What is this other, what does this say here? From preferences, go to general, drop down pan, zoom, orbit. General. Ah, okay, so this doesn't let you bind them. You're choosing other. I don't want, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. I want to set my own. I want to set my own. I don't like SolidWorks is what I'm more familiar with, but SolidWorks is kind of tight. That's just a press the button, and then how do you pan? Eh, I don't want to do that. If I want to do anything, I want to bind my own. But otherwise, I will just use the defaults. Okay, so holding shift helps. Plus the the wheel scroller, the mouse scroll wheel. Then you can rotate. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. All right, so the next thing I wanted to do was the way I am going to do this. I want to do what's called a half lap joint, which I was Googling how to do that with a router, but a half lap joint just like this, where you're going to overlap the wood and you cut out half the width on each one so that you can overlap them and they go together nice and flat. I don't totally have a good reason why I want to do that right now, but it's what I want to do. So the way I want to do that is I will do another sketch. Create sketch on that face. And then what I want to do is a rectangle. And I want to dimension that. So that I need to be 3.5, the width of the piece of wood. That's all I need. Finish sketch. Okay. Then I want to take that sketch and I want to extrude it. That wasn't one. Extrude. Then extrusion. Cut. Objects to cut. This one? This isn't working quite the way I was expecting. Okay, so that does that. That is not what I wanted though. So, going to delete that. Delete. Okay. Edit sketch. Create selection set. I wonder what that does. I don't know. Okay, what I'm going to do. So the way I'm expecting this to work is to be able to select this sketch, do an extrude, and make it a cut. That's what I'm expecting. But that's not working. And I'm not sure why. Cut. Profile, select. Why is that locked? Cancel. Bloop. Oh, maybe because I can't see it. Extrude. Select. Doot. Ah, there we go. That's a little counterintuitive. I think it'd be nice to be able to just click that. Oh wait, that did work. Didn't I do that? What about doing this? Okay, so what would be nice is if you could click this and click your sketch. Oh, click your sketch and select extrude from that menu, or it would be nice to be able to click that sketch and go extrude, but that didn't work. It unselected it and brought this menu up, and then you have to select here, which is fine, but it doesn't work. Let's see. If you do extrude and then select from there, that doesn't work. Okay, but selecting here works, which is fine, except for the fact that if you have your sketches hidden, then you don't know what to do. And that time it automatically selected that one, so that's weird. Okay, so another way around about this is to hide that one. Just make the one sketch you're interested in active and do that. But no, that didn't work either. Okay. So it seems like the most reliable method is just do extrude and then make sure your sketch is visible and then pick it. And then I want this to be a cut. So switch that from new body to cut. Then we have to go this way. And we want it half. So 0.375 or 0.75 divided by 2. Bloop. Oh, minus. I don't know. And that so that's like 1/2 of the half lap joint. Okay. So that's what I want on that piece. So this is kind of like half lap on end piece. They kind of have some kind of version control thing going in here, so that's kind of interesting. And I haven't seen that. I've never used Fusion 360 before, but I've used SolidWorks. SolidWorks and Creo and Unigraphics. All right. So that's the end piece. So I need another one of these. Let's see. I'm on this. I'm on hat rack. Okay, so then I need a new. Okay. So the thing I don't know, what I want to do is make several parts and then assemble them together. And I don't know how to do that 100% here. So new design. Okay, that works. Let's turn on our origins. You can turn on your origins. Okay, so for this one, I want to do pretty much the same thing. Create sketch. So that is your rectangle, and then they got sketch dimension here. So like that's 0.75, and this is 3.5, and I'm done with that. And I want to extrude that. I want to extrude that 12 inches. 12. 12, 12, 12. Let's go ahead and save this bad boy under hat rack. And this is the middle piece. I had this naming is coming up in my head. We'll come up with, I don't know, names are names. I'm not thinking about it too carefully. Discord break. Discord break. Alright. Discord break over. Oh, my music is over. Oh, I knew there was something wrong. I need something longer than a single playlist. I'm in a bit of a musical rut, having watched the same stuff over and over. Or listened to the same stuff over and over. Yeah, this is cool. That looks cool. Tiny Desk concerts are usually pretty cool. Tool. Always good. Mastodon. That looks kind of could be cool. Just need something chill, like a Hans Zimmer soundtrack. How about Inception? I haven't listened to the Dune soundtrack. I wonder if that's good. Oh, you know what I haven't listened to in a while? Suicide. Mr. Suicide Sheep. I haven't listened to Mr. Suicide Sheep in a while. And I like down tempo. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Boom. I've listened to this playlist a lot of times. Yeah. I should probably give that a like. Alright. Alright. So this is almost the same piece of wood, except for the one I just did is one that's like at the top and the bottom. Now these ones are going to be in the middle for what I'm doing. So on this one, what I'm going to do, there's a couple ways this could go, but create sketch. So I think they have to alternate, the cuts have to alternate sides is kind of what I'm thinking through here. So this one could go on this side. So we go like blue. We want this to be 3.5. Cool. Finish sketch. Then we want to select that sketch and do an extrude. Do minus 0.375. Boom. Okay, and then the other thing is I think on this side it has to be the opposite. So shift. So we do. So if you go hover over the plane and do right click, then it brings up this context menu, so you can be like, create sketch. Doing a triangle or rectangle. Oh, okay. 3.5. Okay. And then we're gonna do another extrude. Oh. Minus 0.375. Okay. Cool. All right. Save. Cuts. All right. So then what I want to do, generative design. I have no idea. I have no idea what that is, but wait a second. What I want to do, assemble. So let's do a new design, and then we will do assemble. Symbol. All right, so we'll add a new component. Oh, external. What I was expecting was to be able to pick. What I was expecting was to be able to pick one of the things I've made. So ah. Hmm. That is not what I was expecting. Don't save. All right. So if I do a symbol, So can I do? With SolidWorks, I know how to do this. With this, I don't. What I'm expecting to be able to do is be like the symbol, add, creates a new internal. What I thought you could do is like insert a piece that you've made. So like you make your pieces, then you go do an assembly and add. So this is a bit odd. Can you insert? No. Construct? No. Symbol? New component? Okay. So, seems like with this, you don't, you just kind of, you don't like make each component separately. You just make a design and then make internal components, basically. Yeah, okay. Is there a new component? Huh. Let's see if there's another way to do this. So Fusion 3, I can't do numbers. Fusion 360 create assembly from designs. Right click on it and then right click on one of the components. Right click on one of the, okay, so create a new design and then right click on one of the components in the data panel and click insert into current design. Okay. So that is more like what I'm looking for. So we will do new design. And then I have to do the data thing over here. Okay. So then from the so this is the data panel here. And then from my projects, I just happen to know this is my project here, and I can do hat rack. Sorry for the nose pick there. Lost my train of thought. Okay, yeah, I can do data, my project, and then there's pieces. So then I can do like I want to take this guy and insert into the current design. Oh, okay. So I have to save this design first. So hat rack assembly. Hat rack assembly. It's a hat rack assembly. Hair stuck to my can. Sorry, dudes. Sorry, everybody. All right. And we will go and we will say, I want to insert this guy. Cool. That's pretty tight. And then you have to do some. All right. So here is trying to get you to be like, okay, how do you want to put this bad boy in here? What I like to do is be like, this guy can be like 0. No? All right. Okay. That is what I want. Although, this is a 12-inch piece. Sometimes what I like to do is do it at the midway point, but I don't know that there's any advantage to that right now. So I think what I'll do is just be like, this is 0. Okay, that seems fine. All right. So now we got that one. Okay. All right. And then uh I want to insert this. Can I not insert this? Hmm. Can I not insert this guy? So I can select this one and do insert, and I can do another one. Okay. But if I click this guy, that's weird. Huh. So you can only add. That doesn't make any sense. Hello. That doesn't make any sense to me. Ah. What? Almost seems like there's something wrong. Huh. Save? Can I not add that? You can only... Can you only add one component? That doesn't make any sense. I can go here and insert that guy. But I can't go and insert this one? No. Can I go? Interesting, like they keep versions so you can be like, huh. Open. Those are pretty nice. I mean, other than I can't do what I want. I mean, you can insert this guy. How does that make sense? You can take this hat rack assembly, insert itself into, but this one, nope. That almost seems like there's something wrong. Like if I go and I do new design, save, test me. Okay. So this seems like there's almost something wrong with this specific piece. Am I still editing it? No? Alright, let's see what happens when we do the old computer science trick. And close everything. That seemed like something was bugged. Something was bugged. That seems like a great opportunity to take an internet break. Let's go take a look at the internet. Check out Hacker News. See what is annoying on here today. Tales of the M1 GPU. This is actually pretty cool. I just know that this person is a wizard. They're somehow hacking the Apple M1 chips. Yeah, they're like reverse engineering the GPU firmware. I mean, that seems pretty wild. Okay, well, this is over my head, so I know that's cool, but it's over my head for now. Well, it's over my head. WASM Edge? What the fuck is that? Am I allowed to swear on stream? I don't know. What the F? What the F? Didn't I click something? WASM Edge. Bring cloud native and serverless applications to edge computing. You lost me there, friend. Cloud native and serverless. Next song. Homebrew social networking. That sounds kind of neat. You mean like not Mastodon? Too many. Oh, homebrew. Okay, well, lots of words. No privacy. Speeding up Java. Script. Cool, 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 cool. Next up, let's check out Twitter. Twitter. Jim Carrey is trending. Yeah, how about no? Oh. Alright, I have to stop my current song. Hear what this guy's doing with this. Whoa. Little too heavy for me, friend. It's dope, but too heavy for me. You couldn't hear it, but it's pretty cool. Right. Back to my chill down tempo. Yeah, we're down tempo on this stream. Down tempo. Sebastian Elton and doing lots of cool code stuff. Alright, nothing catching my eye on Twitter right now. Shader toy. Oh. That's dope. Okay. I don't even know what's going on, but it looks dope. Oh, this looks cool. Too bad I don't have one of those or know how to use it. Models of the Mind. Next song. I don't know. Maybe that's good. Alright, well. This internet break sucked. Let's go back to this. Alright, so. Let's see. Aha! So something was bugged. Cool. Alright. So for this one, I need to do something that I don't know how to do in Fusion, which is I want to take okay, so I can't do that because I don't have a I'm just using a free version, which I mean if I figure out how all this works, might get the better version, but so what I want to do is I would like to do what in SolidWorks is like you set up, you mate service surfaces. So I don't know how to do that here, but we're going to figure it out. I want to delete that guy back out. Hopefully I can add him back in. Insert. Okay, so what is this? That's a rotate. And so let's just move it like right here so we can see it. Okay. But what I want to do is I want to take like I want to say this surface Huh? Oh, I'm hitting caps. I want to say this surface is supposed to be touching that surface. Can you... Okay. And then can I say like this one and this one? Hmm. Let's see if that's under construct. No. Maybe it's during the assembly context local. Hmm. Not sure how to do this. It's kind of cool that you can choose version. I like that. That's actually really cool. That is very cool. But it doesn't help me with what I'm trying to do right now. Hmm. Don't want to do. All right. Well, let's go and take this dude back out. Let's see. Fusion 360. Okay. After the component. Oh, using the joint command. All right. Well, that was not intuitive to me. I was thinking joint meant like literally a joint. Because, I mean, it shows you this picture, right? And I was like, oh, it's a joint. It's a joint. Alright, alright. It's a joint, if you know what I mean. Insert into current design. Alright. That's what I want. And we're going to shift and do this. I'm going to do this. Okay. And then what I want to do, joint. So I want to be like this guy and this guy. What if I want to say like, I don't know. What is it trying to get me to do? Between two face. Okay, let's try this again. Let's do joint, and then we'll do between two faces. So we want to be like this. I might have to look at how to do this too. Huh. I have no idea. All right, let's look at how to do that. Can be assembled using the joint command. All right. Fusion tree. I have to look at my keyboard for numbers, okay? Joint. Tutorial. Back to watching tutorials. Joints and assemblies. 12 tips for beginners. I'd rather just read documentation. God damn. Okay, rigid. This is what we want. We want rigid. We don't want any of that. Ah, I think we want this. Oh no. Or when joins locks the relative position. I don't think we want that. No. I mean, we do want to do joint. What is simple? I don't think this is what we want. Oh, rigid. Okay. This is not quite what I want. Alright, let's cancel that and try again. Alright, if we do joint. Alright, and I want this guy to be right here. And I want to be like 90. Oh, no, that's not what I want. Yeah, okay. Delete. I think I can figure this out. Joint. Okay. Want this one to be right here. Okay. Mm-hmm. I want that one to be right there. Okay. Okay. Doesn't work. Okay. Cancel. Edit. So is there a way? So the only rotation this is giving me is this. Okay. Well, that's not what I want. So let's delete it. Let's try maybe we can do like I want this guy and this one. Okay, cancel. I want this and this. That doesn't work. Okay, let's see. What is two edge intersection? Creates a joint at the. Oh, on a face, edge, or point. Huh. Okay. Uh. This is not that intuitive, but it's probably more my fault than anything. Ha! Tight. Alright. 90. Cool. That's what I wanted. Alright. But I have a flaw here. First off, what the fuck is this way over here? No. Let's see. Home. Coop. Okay, this is all just not. Right. Alright. That's kind of cool. Doesn't really look like what I want it to look like right now. Okay. But what I need to do, so what I need to do is create a joint between this and over here. Joint. So what I want is like can I pick this axis? No, I cannot. Can I pick this plane? I think I want this. Can I pick this axis? Okay, I want that on this. Huh? No, that's not what I want. Cancel. I want like this oh, let's I want this surface and this. That's not what I want either. Alright, we'll figure this out someday. Let's see if I go and I say I want this surface and... Oh no, because all I can pick is this. It's not really what I want. I want it to be like the other way, man. Okay. But I have choices in terms of like this. Alright, so maybe if I pick that. There we go. Okay. But I want... This isn't the... What does flip mean? I don't know. So I picked that face. What if I'm like... Oops, cancel. This is not really how I'm used to doing this. Between two faces? This is not how I'm used to doing this at all. What I want to do is go the other way with it. How do I... If I do that... No, give me the other axis. Cancel. How do I check? I want to... I wish it would give me a way to pick the direction of the axis of rotation. So what if we do like... What happened when we did that and... Okay, we can't pick those things. What happens when we do like... I wonder how you figure out like what direction the rotation is going to be. Like, is there a way to pick... Is there a way to change the direction of rotation? Flip. Because what I would like to do is be able to position this with respect to this plane here and then like get it into the orientation I'm planning to. I guess this isn't too bad. So like if I do like let's see what happens. Okay. Okay. So I think this isn't coming out quite the way I'm planning. Although this here from here to here should be 12. Hmm. Yeah. Is it Sophie top? So is there a way? I wonder if it. I wonder if it has a way to rotate it just. So this is how I'm imagining it being kind of like hung up on the wall. All right. Discord break. Soda break. Cool Christmas ornaments. Discord break over. Get back to work. Actually, longer Discord break. Need a refresh on sparkling water and a cookie. BRB. Oh yeah. Gonna mute while I eat a cookie. Alright, so let's add another piece here. We will add another one of these pieces. cool, man. One, two, three, four. So the ah! I don't know what's I don't know the controls, man. Alright, so the way this is gonna work is there's gonna be hooks. One, two, three, four. So I need one more here to have 5, 6 hooks. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. So one, two, three, four, and one more piece. Actually, it can be one of the end pieces now. Yeah, it can be this piece on this side. It can be this one. And yeah, that looks great, man. Alright, I really got to learn these controls. Minus 270. There we go. Yee. Now, one thing I kind of wonder is if it wouldn't look better with like a little chamfer up here and here. And I also wonder if it would look better if like these pieces were shorter. Although I don't know what purpose that would serve. Top. What I wish is I could get... Let's see, which joint are we looking at here? This one? Edit? So let's see, let's... If you do that one is like minus 45. What happens when we do top now? That's not what I want. Go the other way? Edit. So 0. Yeah. There we go. Boom. And then if we turn off... Oh, I don't want to do that. But we want to turn off... For each of these members, we want to turn off the origin. And we could probably turn off the joints. Cool. So that's what it looks like. Hmm. Hmm. I wonder if I like the half lap because doing the half lap joint here, it's going to be a lot of routering. That's like one, it's like one, well, two, one, two, four, six, eight. Yeah. Well, see if we can add a color. Is there a way to add a material? How do you, oh, let's save that. I feel like I saw render. I feel like I saw a way to add material. Insert McMaster-Carr component? That is sick. Oh, yeah. I like that. Alright. Yeah. I always get distracted. What's on my screen? YouTube? Alright, yeah. Open the material library. Good, pretty good documentation. Not bad. Open the material library. Choose material. Alright. Maybe. Where's the material library? Oops. Where's the material library? I could have sworn I saw. I keep doing that. Alright. Where's the material library? Well, gotta go back to that documentation. I thought I could find it. I hope it's not like a thing you can only do in the like more advanced ones. Open. Wonder if like you open one of the samples. Sample. Ooh, sample has appearance. Okay, so on the body there's appearance. So like if we go here, there we go. Aha, figured it out. Wood. They have cedar. Cedar. No cedar. What? I wanted to make the material cedar, but they don't have it. Grr. Is there a way to add it? My appearances? Create your online appearance collection by adding materials from Bomber. Let's see if there's a way to. Why don't they have cedar, man? How you gonna have poplar? Oh yeah, this is a good one. Uh, hmm. I don't want to like watch a whole tutorial. I just like want. Not possible to add external materials. Creating a new material and customizing a duplicate. Huh, I wonder how you create a new material. New. How do you do a new material? If you do like appearance. Create your online. Too bad. I mean, I could do a seed cherry. It kind of has the appearance. Huh. Alright. Cancel. Alright, so open the material library, choose one that is similar. Right click, duplicate. Alright, so you basically duplicate the one. Alright, so we're kind of on that track. So we go here, we get this guy, and then we like duplicate it. Edit. Edit. Cedar. Advance. Alright, so now we need a texture. We need a texture. Alright, we can do that. I have so many browsers going here. Cedar texture. PNG. Textures world. I think there's Textures world is loading very slowly. Textures.com. That's what blah. Yes. Cedar tree bark. No, neither of those are really what I want. Hmm. Let's see what this site parent. Ow. Lame. That's not what I want. Cedar. Wonder if I could create my own. Yeah, I'm gonna try to create my. Wonder if I can like snap a picture of some cedar. Or if I just find a picture. I'm probably overthinking this. I don't really need it. Yeah. I don't really need this. Yeah, close. Now if I say save. And then if I go to cherry's close enough. Oh, you have to do that. Save. Alright, and then if we go back to this guy, use get latest version. That's kind of neat. Where is it? Uh. Is it bugged? Alright, computer science trick. Oh, it's doing something. I don't know what was going on there. I might have prematurely selected restart. In the meantime, let's see what they got here. Hmm. Where'd it go? Uh, hmm. I don't understand why all of a sudden this is no longer visible. That's kind of weird, right? Kind of weird, right? Like if I go in here and be like, oh, I thought I crashed it. It didn't. So that, hmm. Okay. Uh, oh, I'm some kind of dummy. I somehow had hidden that. I have no idea. Wow. Okay. I'm some kind of. Yeah. I'm not all right. Okay. So there we go. That's kind of cool. kind of cool. Let's see what we got at McMasterCard. Where was that? I got too many browser tabs. Something like this. Mm. Oh, more like that. No, let's see. I'm going to do this on a different screen, but I ordered something from Amazon, but I don't know. I'm sure whatever I ordered on Amazon isn't going to have. Man, I buy too much shit on Amazon. Too much. Nope. The hook that I'm getting from Amazon looks like different. Looks like this. This is what I'm getting from Amazon. And so that is a little different. Although I don't care. Oh, it's not that different. I actually might like this better. Why doesn't everybody have CAD models of everything? Why doesn't Amazon have CAD models? Alright, well, according to Amazon, this thing is 3 inches by 1.7 inches, so yeah, no, these don't match up. What about these? R? Wait, I feel like when I clicked on that, what? What? McMaster. Is there only one? Okay, so some of them have multiple solutions. R. Damn, that's a big hook. So, M. E. None of these are really similarly sized. Let's see. I could model it. No, that's way out. That's. I mean, it just seems like the effort of trying to CAD model this is beyond the pale for what I'm trying to do. I really just wanted to get this overall shape so I could see it. I'm not totally convinced I like the ship. It looks like a Duke Nukem ammo from the old Duke Nukem 3D. But the idea is I'll put a hook here, 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 and here. Probably hang it with a screw like, here, here. Wonder like, let's see. If I go and I say, the controls do not always work the way I'm expecting. So if I'm like, let's say I do, uh, alright, what I want to do is be like, doot, 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 doot. And then I want to be like, chew, chew. And I want to be like, extrude. Okay. The song on right now is, we can't have that. Okay, now it's a good one. Solved. Alright. A little bit slow. I'm not sure like what it's having to try to do right now. Uh-oh. Did it freeze everything? I think my stream is frozen. Let's see. Get latest version. Think whatever it had to. Oh, okay. Well, obviously that by doing that little cut, that means this piece and this piece are no longer identical. Yeah, that kind of just looks wonky, I think. I may just save this as a version, though. Just for ideas. We go back to. Huh. Okay, well, we could just be like, okay. Yeah, so there's a way we can go back and see this version. Okay. Let's see if we can find a grab cat. Hmm. Well, I could kind of model it, right? Just feels like way overwork for like even kind of doing this was overwork, honestly. There's just a couple cuts on the same pieces of wood, so even this was kind of overkill. I just kind of wanted to figure out how to do fusion, but the temptation to do the model is pretty real. Pretty real. Brand is eyeballsins. What the fuck is eyeballsins? I don't know. I should probably stop swearing. Eyeballsins. Good. Control. Probably the time I've spent trying to find one I could have could have CAD modeled it. Don't give me that. Don't give me that. All right, we're gonna do it. We're gonna model it. We're gonna model this. I mean, it's not. Mostly, it's about getting the size profile. It doesn't actually have to be. All right, so if we turn our origins back on and we say like, let's be like, let's do a sketch and this is where things get tricky though, because it's not really circular. It's more like an oval ellipse. Okay. I think we can say it's an ellipse. So like, all right. Well, we don't have exact dimensions though. Normally, the way I would model this is I would buy it, and then once I had it, I would measure the dimensions. Yeah. But I think we can kind of figure it out. Like, first off, I want, if I do, does it let me go like this? No, it does not. Okay, so, So if we do ellipse, center point, let's say we go like, is that really the center? That is the center, okay. So if we go like dimension, say from here to here, we actually want that to be like 1. Ooh, that's huge. Well, we don't know that it's huge actually. I'm guessing based on the picture that it's roughly an inch. Yeah. And then I will say 0.5. Alright. And there's 2 circles. Let's say it's an eighth. Eighth of an inch. And we want to be like 0.25. Oh, that's way too far. Okay. That 0.125. There we go. Oh no. Do, 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 da, 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 da. Whatever is playing right now, I love it. Cool. Oh, Yoast. Yeah. Always love this one. Already liked it. Probably liked it years and years ago. Gonna restart that one. Alright. And then we want to take this guy and be like, let's say it goes up like 0.25. No, that's too much. Let's say 2 quarter inches. Let's say 3/16. Yeah, that's fine. All right. And then it's kind of domed, so it's not flat like that. Let's see, how would I create that dome? I guess what I would do is do a cut. Huh. Let's see. I think what I would do is, a revolve is around an axis, which isn't going to help us. I wonder if there's something where you can like cut along an edge. So like if we decide to go and say, oh, interesting. So you can hit shift and then use middle mouse button to start the rotate, and then you can actually let go of shift. You don't have to continuously hold it down. But then if you let go of middle mouse and click it again, you're back to pan. So, okay. So if I do something like Let's say I hide this body and say I want to do a sketch on this plane. Let's unhide that body. Or I want to do something like so if I want it to be a dome, then I want to do something like, I wonder if it's snapping to the right place. I want to do something like, nope, that's not what I want. Delete, delete. This isn't quite what I am expecting to do. I'd be like, blue, blue. Nah. Well, maybe. Okay, so now we have like that profile. And then if I say I want to do yeah, this isn't gonna. What is a thin extrude? Extrudes a thin wall along selected open. No. Huh? Alright, sorry. Nah, that's not what I want. Oh, I think I want to sweep. Yeah, so I want to sweep. So I can. Okay, so with a sweep, I can choose my sketch. And then for my path, I can choose this boundary here. Okay, yeah, so that'll work. Uh, yeah. Huh. That'll work, but this profile may not be right. So I can do a sweep. Profile. Oops. Paste. Bloop. Try reducing the two here. Okay. So probably that sketch itself is not that great, but okay. So I don't know if it's because of the sketch or not. So normally the way I would do this is to not do it at all. Origin. So we can be like create sketch. We kind of want to like, maybe I did this, well, yeah, I did this the wrong way. I did this the wrong way. Alright, so what I did was I did a sketch and extrude, but that's not actually the right way to create this kind of shape. So if we go home, alright. So if I go and I edit this sketch, get rid of those guys. The spline, the ellipse is what we want. The ellipse is what we want. Although I should have. Let's see if we can redefine sketch plane. I'm gonna put it there. Okay. And then what we want to do is we want to do another sketch in this plane. All right. And how tall do we make that thing? 3/16. So we want to go like bloop. And then we want to probably go here. I think we did, and then, uh-oh. God dang. Oh. Yeah. Wait. I can't. That's okay. Then do I want to do like a spline? No. No. That's not what I want. Finish the sketch. I don't want this sketch anymore. This sketch sucks. Losing my mind. Losing my mind. All right. What am I trying to do? I want to get rid of this sketch. I don't want to get rid of that sketch. I want to get rid of this one. Somehow. Oh, it's got. Alright. I want to get rid of that. But now that sketch is still there. What the? Remove? That didn't work. Oh. Let's see if I hit save. Oh. Let me just go back to here. Can I? But if I go to. Can I delete this sketch? There we go. Boom. That's what I wanted. Alright. So I want to do a sketch in this plane. Want to do 3/16. And then I want to do. How do you do this? Oh. How do I do. 3-point arc. That's what I want. No. Dang it. It's not what I wanted. Want to create... I'm just trying to create this shape. It's kind of like a little ovally shape. I don't think it's circle. I suppose it's spline. No, spline sucks. Uh, I don't know how to use spline. Oh, like how do you end the spline? Oh, select first point to close. I don't want to do that. Spline. I just want to be like blue, 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 blue. That doesn't work either. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, then it gives you your little control points. Uh, Alright, so you can kind of manipulate your curve. Okay. Okay, we need one more. We need to go from here to here. Alright. That took forever. That looks wonky, but let's just see if what I'm trying to do works. So next thing we can do is a sweep. And we say we want to take here, we want to take this profile, and we want our path to be this profile. Select. That's not what. Huh. Wonder why it doesn't let us choose that. Oh, there we go. I keep thinking it lets us choose from over there. It does not. Doesn't produce a valid result. Yeah, probably. Oh, okay. Yeah, it can't. It can't. So sweep doesn't work here either. Because it can't do. It can't go. It can't go around this loop. So I thought sweep would be the right thing, but it is not. Hmm. That's interesting. So I am unsure with this program how to create a profile that kind of like looks like that dome. Well, a sweep doesn't work. Just trying to think of a way to do that. I could I wasn't expecting to get stumped by this. Alright. I will have to do a little research. Figure out how to do that. Yeah, it makes sense now. Like, you know, sweeping it along this curve, that's obviously not going to work. That was kind of dumb to think that was going to work in the first place, honestly. I wonder if I tried a different angle. I wonder if they're like, if I tried doing something with mirroring. Hmm. Like, if I go and I do sweep and I say sweep this along here. No, because it can't even get to like there. So that approach does not work. Okay. That approach does not work. So I wonder if there's something like revolve around. Hmm. Interesting. I thought I would know how to do this, but I do not. And it's definitely an ellipse shape. So a revolve isn't going to do the right thing. A revolve is just going to make it circular. Hmm. How would you do this? Wondering if there's like a... Oh, but I could create like this this profile and try revolving that. That might work. That's gonna look a little too circular, but probably doesn't matter. Anyway, I don't think that this is worth spending a ton of more time on, so I'm going to close that. At least we kind of figured out how to do this. But I would still kind of like figure out how to do the little hooks so I could visualize the whole thing before going any further. That's for another time. Gonna hit save. Alright, let's take a quick Twitter break, and I think that's it for tonight. What's on Twitter? Uh-oh, suspicious death. Nothing too new. Ooh, cool, Elon Musk. Alright. Nothing cool on Twitter tonight. It's a slow night. That's bait. I don't know what No More Heroes is, but that looks cool. Alright. I think that's it. Signing off. Bye.